Hey guys, thanks for tuning into today's video. I'm doing an unboxing, review, first impressions, and a styling of my Jadon High Doc Marten boots in black.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel, Lifestyle Grub, where we talk about everything that has to do with life and vogue and being a balanced woman. Now, I know you guys have been waiting for this one. These are the most popular boots for Doc Martens. I'm gonna actually compare them to my previous boots, which you can check out the review over here, of the Aunt Sally zip-up boots that were in white. Both of these boots are platforms, and I'm really excited to show you guys my Jadon boots today and the styling of them for today. So, first off, I just want to say there are some things that you guys like to find out about Doc Martens, and that's mostly the sizing. Some of them fit bigger, some of them fit a little bit smaller. So I'll do a comparison of a few boots that I've had in the past. So here we go, let's open it up. I haven't actually tried these on yet. Woo, they're very nice. So here they are. So these are the platforms, as you can see, and they're the high boots, so they go above about mid-calf. Now the good thing about these boots right away, I can tell you, is there's a zipper on the side. So one of the issues with a lot of these tall boots, and I have a few other in like Roots and stuff, and Sorel boots, sliding your foot in and out of the boots is really time consuming. And if you're always in a hurry like me, it takes, a lot of time and effort. Your foot gets stuck. So the zipper is definitely gonna make it easier to slide the boots on and off. So the laces go all the way up. I'm gonna take this out here. And the leather is the smooth leather. It's not that grainy leather like the Aunt Sally's. And it's also not the patent shiny leather like the other boots that I had. They were called the Zavela combat boots. So yes, I would imagine that these are more flexible than the patent leather ones. The tongue is bendable, so it doesn't make, I would imagine that it's not going to make your, when you bend forward and you're walking, it's not gonna make this funny crease in the boots and make it kind of flare out on the side. It just looks funny when that happens. That was a problem that I had with the Zavela combat boots. Okay, so let's move to trying it on. So I want to let you guys know that this is a size 8. So my foot is actually a size 39. European size, so that's like an 8.5 kind of. I'm not an 8 and I'm not a 9, but some 8.5s fit very different for me. Some are really tight, like women's heels and dress shoes. I have to have an 8.5. 8 is too small, but with running shoes I need a size 8. And sometimes, like with Adidas shoes, I need a smaller size. So sometimes I need a 7.5, sometimes I need an 8, but not an 8.5. So we'll do a comparison and let's try it on. Okay, I will try on my right side shoe. The main thing with these boots when you're wearing them, guys, is you need to wear them with longer socks. You cannot wear them with short socks. They probably will scrape up the heel a little bit in the back, but these ones, actually it's very smooth in the back. Right away, I can tell you that they're not as, cause the Aunt Sally's have the Airwalk insole. It feels like you're kind of walking on air. I don't know if you've ever tried the Hoka One's running shoes. It kind of feels like that. You're like bouncing. But these ones don't have that bounce right away. They feel more flat and hard, actually. Right away. Okay. So, as you can see, these are tall boots, so it takes some time to tie them up. So what I would do, actually, is keep them tied up forever so you never have to lace them up again, and just slide them on and off with the zipper. Yeah, they feel good so far. The sizing is definitely, it's perfect, it's right on, so a size 8 fits me. That's true to size. I actually should be a size 8 in all of my shoes. So these are definitely true to size. My toe feels like it's more snug right to, I mean, I have a little bit of room, but I feel like the Aunt Sally's give you more room right in the front, and they fit very snug along the middle part of your foot. And these ones have a little bit of room around the middle part, but they're snug at the front. They're not as wide, I would say. Finally, I can get these laces tied up. It's taken that much time, holy smokes. All right. Yes. Oh, these are nice. These are very good. I love these. Wow. Definitely my next favorite to my Aunt Sally's. I absolutely love my Aunt Sally's. They're so comfortable because of the Airwalk insole. But these ones are definitely my second best. Everyone should own a pair of black tie-up Doc Marten boots. Definitely. You need the ones with the laces. Now let's see how easy it is to get it off. Oh yes, simple. I never have to tie them up again. Yes, you guys, this is a win. The zipper is awesome. No wonder why they are so popular. But of course in the past, they didn't have the platform boot style. I love the platform because they're just, I don't know, that chunkiness just, it's like the chunkiness is extra chic right now. Okay. Definitely a winner. Now let's take a look at how I styled these boots. As you can see right here, here's a full shot for today's look. What I've decided to do is wear a jumpsuit in army green, and I have a waist belt on from Guess. I'm wearing double layered necklace here. One of them I actually got off of Amazon as real silver. I'm gonna link all this stuff down there for you guys. My chunky silver chain is from H&M. I have oxidized silver bracelets on, and of course silver rings. A couple of them are actually chunky as well, to go with the overall look of the Jadon boots, which are in black. And I've matched it to my Chanel boy bag, which actually has the oxidized silver or gunmetal chain and buckle as well. Now I'm gonna link this purse for you as well, where you can pick up a dupe version of this if you don't want to pay the hefty price tag. I do see that the gunmetal is still available. It's really, really chic, awesome purse. The thing I like about the boy bags for Chanel is they're very roomy. You can fit a lot of stuff in it, including your sunglasses case. So we're going to finish off the look with my Michael Kors sunglasses. Here's the look, guys. I hope you guys liked it.